Tech2000 right here. It's like a late 80s one. Not sure if it's a heat pump or straight cool, but it's definitely an older one. It's like a plain blue label badge. Yep, 1989, 5-ton. It's a pretty good unit right here. It is in fact a heat pump. Let's see, where's that compressor? Old Copeland compressor, I believe. I see the accumulator. Let's see the reversing valve though. I think the reversing valve is down there. I believe it is heat pump. I think. No, I think it's just a straight cool with a accumulator. But I can't see down in there. Yeah, I think it's just a straight cool. It's not running either. Nor has it been running at all. 1989, 5-ton. We're just at Walmart. And this is at an Abby's restaurant, so I figured I'd video this beast right here.